this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create a guitar type beat inside of Suno AI. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser and then go up to sunoai.com. I'll also put a link to it down in the description below. From here, you should be doing something like this once you're inside of your dashboard. And here you'll need to go over to the create button over here in the menu. Once you're in here, you'll see this page where you'll see an overview of all of your already existing songs. And over here, you can enter your prompts to create a new song. So let's go over here and click first of all instrumental because we want to create a type beat. Then from here we'll need to either go over to symbol or custom. Personally, I'll just use custom because I can do a lot more with custom or symbol than custom. From here you'll need to go down to song description. And now it is time for us to add in a prompt. I'll put a couple prompts linked down in the description. Also have a course or ebook that will teach you everything there is about Suno AI prompts. So you can check that out if you want to. So let's get into it. We want to create an acoustic guitar trap beat. So let's click in melodic acoustic guitar trap beats. We want it a little bit emotional, Spanish guitar. We want a hot hitting 808. Then we can add in a crisp trap drums, rapid hi-hat rolls, clean production of course, and 175 beats per minute. From here, once you've clicked all of your prompts in, you'll need to click create. From here, Suno AI will generate two versions of this specific prompt. They'll also give you the newest one, but if you don't all have a premium account, you cannot get these two songs up here. So you can just click on it and click delete. From here, you'll see it down here, and we can take a listen to how this can sound like. And now for the next one. That's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!